Hello! Today I'm going to explain subject verb agreement of simple present. Verbs in simple present talk about actions that happen in the present time or regularly. Before explaining it in detail, I wanna describe you what are first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. Personal pronoun I and we called as first person pronoun because it is about the speaker who speaks. Next, you is always called as second person pronoun. It is about the listener who is listening the talk. Third person pronoun he, she, they, it. These all are called as third person pronoun. Simple present tense always about facts, habits and routines, feelings and emotions, and general truth. Let's have some examples. Like facts, I live in Poland. Habits and routines, you can have the example of they swim every day because it is their habit. The next, feeling and emotions. Like we have they like pizza because they like it. It is their feeling. And a general truth, Sunday comes after Saturday. It's a truth. So in all these sentences, we have simple present formations. Okay? Let's have more examples. Whenever we talk about habit and routine activity, just see this example. I go to school every day. So this is the habit, or you can say general routine. If we talk about reality or universal truth, then we will take simple present tense. The sentence is the sun rises in the east. It's a truth. Let's learn the rule. Whenever we talk about single person or a singular noun, we should add s in the main form of verb, like writes, eats, rises, draws, and many more. And whenever we talk about plural noun or more than one person, then we should not add any s in the main form of verb. Remember, with the first person I and second person you, we cannot use s in the main form of verb. Now let's look at the chart. With he, she, it, we can use verb plus s or es or ies in the main form of verb. And with I, you, we, you, they, we cannot use any s or es. We can simply use first form of verb. And examples, she starts new diet. Or you start new diet. Let's have a practice exercise. In the exercise, we have two sections. We have to make sentences from each of them. Neha plays volleyball. My friend likes sweet. Next one, he eats sweet mangoes. Fourth sentence will be like that. She watches cricket matches. Now just move on for the second section. Vijay and Ravi play volleyball. We like sweets. You know Bengali. Here you can see the form of verb. There is no s added. Next one, I eat sweet mangoes. And the last one, all students watch cricket matches. So in this way we have finished subject verb agreement exercise. As you know that practice makes man perfect. So for that I'm going to share one link with you. Just look at on the screen. So here is the link where you can practice exercise and makes you all doubts clear. So best of luck. We will meet you in the next video. Then take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.